everyone. I'm just going to give you a real quick walkthrough of the APR resource that's available to you under Connect, and it's going to be an invaluable tool to help you prepare for your practical tests this semester. So this is a short walkthrough that I did last semester to kind of walk you through how to find different structures within APR. If for some reason you ever run into a video and you click on it and it gives you this screen, just click on watch this video on YouTube and it'll take you right there.
As you're preparing to learn the anatomy,
when you go into Connect, kind of scroll down here to the side to the resources, you'll find the anatomy and physiology revealed. So when you click on that, now you're in anatomy and physiology revealed. You have your course content set up. You can go under whatever module you're studying at the time. So in this case, we'll look at the nervous system. Make sure you're under My Course Content and not the All Content. Let's say you want to study the brain anatomy, and you want to select the lateral view. Then you can choose whatever structures you need to know, and it will highlight those for you on various images. Now that's nice, but once you've studied that for a while, you need to be able to test yourself and make sure that you can spell those on a test. So the most important, I think, and useful tool under APR is going to be found with this little check mark up here at the top. So when you check on that, you're then going to be taken into the quiz area. So now I can select that I want to study my structures and I want to study the brain. And then you can choose what type of quiz that you want to take. If I'm studying for the lecture test, then I might want to use the function mode here. But for the practical test, I'm just going to do a lab practical. So when I click on that, I can choose to do just a short quiz, or I can choose all the structures. Let's say I just choose a short quiz. Then it's going to ask you to make sure that you're spelling things correctly. So this is asking you to identify this specific structure that's highlighted. So I can type that in and it will let me know if I was correct or not. Let's say, for example, I look at this and I get it incorrect. So let's look at, let's call this the cerebral aqueduct. I can't remember what runs right through the middle of this. It's going to mark it wrong, but it's going to let me know what the correct structure was. So now if we're looking at this one, let's call this the third ventricle. Notice it marked it incorrect, but then it shows you the correct spelling down here. When you're done with your quiz, it'll show you which ones you got incorrect and which ones that you got correct so that you can go back and reinforce those structures that you're struggling with the most. So the quiz function is going to be particularly helpful to you when you're studying the anatomy on especially the cadaver images. So make sure that you take advantage of that. And if you have any questions, let me know.